Hey guys, it is Cassie from Rhythm Roots and Faith and Aligned Alchemy, and I just found this magical little forest, and I decided that I needed to share it with you guys because it's just magical. It's a beautiful day here in Wisconsin. It's warm and wet and very fall-like today. And the leaves are just flying. It's just magical. Now, a little over a week ago, I was in Hawaii. It was 80 degrees during the day, 70 degrees at night. I was right next to the ocean, and I was grateful. But let me tell you, as soon as the plane started touching down over Madison and I started seeing the fall colors, I was just as grateful. It is so beautiful here in Wisconsin during this time of year. I absolutely love fall, and I'm just reminded by nature to be grateful wherever I'm at on my journey. Look at these leaves falling. It looks so cool. And I have so much gratitude for nature. And I have gratitude for this beautiful, beautiful state that I'm blessed to live in. And I'm grateful for the beauty of nature and how it shows us exactly what we need to do as the wheel turns, as the cycles change. With fall, the message is to let the dead things go. And wow, is nature doing it today. And it's beautiful, right? It's a beautiful process as the trees decide to go to sleep for the winter. They start shutting down, they start changing colors, and then the leaves start flying. And what a beautiful process that is. And we can take that into our own lives. Look at these leaves just flying. It's just amazing. I love it. We can have just as beautiful of a process as we unfold and unwind ourselves, as we're being challenged to let go of the dead things in our lives and embrace winter and the changing of the seasons and the cyclical nature of life as things come and go and come again. And what a beautiful blessing it is to be surrounded by this reminder today and every day, as the leaves continue to change and continue to fly and drop away, and eventually the snow will fall and darkness is coming, and just the reminders that nature gives us, and paying attention to those reminders and being present with them and aware of them and moving with them, moving with nature, being in rhythm with nature. These are all very beautiful, beautiful mindfulness practices. So I just wanted to share this magic with you guys today because I just thought it was amazing how the leaves were falling today and how this beautiful little forest just shines with its glory, and how nature just continues to be awe-inspiring to me, no matter where I'm at. So, let the dead things go and flow with nature.